All right, so the ceramic part came in. This is actually made out of ceramic, and it's a solid piece of, I think, brass in there. It goes all the way through. Anyways, here's the old plastic piece. I actually got some plastic ones coming in that also have a solid piece. But what I wanted to show is, look how these things just got bent down. So even though they weren't working at first, you know, even when they were fine, they would come off. But then it got to the point where they just bent down so low from taking on and off. It's not springy. So, you know, the type of metal you want is usually something springy. So when you push down, you know, it springs back up. But it appears, let's see, let's try this one. I think it's pushed down. I don't know, maybe if you push it too hard, I don't know, it doesn't spring back up. I don't know, something happened. I pushed too hard and these things lost their spring. So, this ceramic one is sick. I mean, first it's ceramic. Who doesn't like ceramic? You know? That's just because the whole thing is moving. If you see both screws, you see both screws move when I pull on one side? That's because it's one solid piece that I bolted it down to, and it's kind of a little loose in the ceramic, but that's okay. I mean, the wires are like, they're not coming out. I mean, it's like ridiculous, you know? Anyway, so I also realigned my machine. So there we go.